We see it year after year. Package thieves on the prowl again this holiday season, looking to swipe deliveries from front doors.
And more people are relying on doorbell cameras to keep watch on their home. But even those can fall victim to tech-savvy crooks. Fox 5's TISHA Lewis live from Dumfries with the story tonight. Hi, TISHA.
Hi there. Residents in this Dumfries neighborhood telling us that they call each other to keep each other posted on what's going on, what deliveries have arrived. They tell us they've even, installed security cameras, but those cameras may not be enough.
Thieves today have a lot of choices to buy very inexpensive Wi-Fi jamming signal devices. They're not very much. They're $10 or $15, $20. And they can essentially point them at your door or at your house and jam up your Wi-Fi signal. And that's how they're able to, deactivate security cameras.
And this is a crime map for Prince William County, and between yesterday and today, there's been at least 13 larcenies and burglaries, according to this crime map. Prince William County police tell us the data does not distinguish between porch pirates and other thefts, but it's all happening now. And while many victims take to various apps in hopes of catching the crooks, police are urging victims to call police. Home security company Ring says while video doorbells can help customers keep track of their deliveries, like any Wi-Fi enabled device, signal interference may affect performance. Ultimately, intentionally jamming Wi-Fi like this is illegal.
I definitely believe that, having something hardwired is probably more ideal now, given the fact that technology is always going to try to, thieves are always going to try to find a way to beat technology. And if you got something that's Wi-Fi, anything that they can jam, So, I mean, this is actually, hearing about it makes me think more about what lines I should do to be more preventive.
There you go. Meanwhile, we'll turn features like package alerts, also live view and two-way audio are just some features that can help curb package thieves or porch pirates. Of course, neighbors in this neighborhood telling us that they call each other police, reminding everyone that if you suspect something or if something happens, make sure you call them as well. Back to you.